Right, so now we will work on the cancel order functionality. No, or for example, not cancel, basically it would be, for example, now the order's status is confirmed. When you click on this button, that should be changed into pending, as it is for this option. This is basically this order is inside pending, so when we click on this button, that should be confirmed, right? Basically the pending and confirmation functionality. So let's just do it how we created. First we need to create buttons because we are using Laravel Collective, so we will convert our buttons into Laravel Collective, right? So link to route, of course, and routes are orders pending, and the name of the button would be pending, and then of course ID, for example, which product you are going to say it should be in pending. The product ID, of course, we will mention product ID, and then class for beauty of the button, which is button btn warning, and then small button. Okay, and of course for this we'll use confirm and order ID. Now this should be orders confirm, and then the color of the button should be green, so we can use success for that. So if I save and reload the page, routes are not defined. Let's just go to web.php and then create routes, for example. Of course these routes are also part of orders, so we can say route get the confirm, and of course orders controller confirm method, and then the name of the route would be orders dot confirm. Okay, for pending, of course we will use the method would be pending, and then the name of the route would be pending. So this will help us to, because we clear inside basics, so this will help us to, you know, we are also using the same route which is mentioned here. So if we reload our page, order pending, so I just put orders here. Okay, that's it. And then again we will create another button for that, which would be or show, basically the details of the product, right? Show is also inside defined inside resource route, so we don't need to create another method for that. And the ID of course, and then the name of the button would be details, or you can use icons for that. Order or show is not defined. Okay, let's just comment this, at least for now we'll work on it. But there's a problem. When we refresh our page, you can see both buttons are at the same moment showing. Basically this order is confirmed, so we only need to see the pending button, and this is inside pending, so we should see confirm button, right? So to do this, simply we'll use conditions. We can say if the order status, right, else, and then and if. So that means if the order status is 1, that means the order is confirmed, then you should show the pending button, so we can again make this order into pending. Else, that means it is not 1, that means it's 0, the order is not confirmed, then you should show the confirm button. So now we can see a 1 button because this order is confirmed, so we can change this into pending, and this is inside pending, we can just change it into confirm. Okay, now let's just work on functionality. So first, if I go to my orders controller, and I'll create a method called confirm, and then we get the ID, and we should read the ID for testing purpose, right? Okay, so if I just click on Okay, missing argument 1. I think we just lost something. Yeah, ID. So if I click on confirm button, now you can see I got the ID 2, and for pending we do same, written the ID, right? Reload and click on pending, you can see we got the ID 1, right? Basically these are the IDs of the order, right? So yes, let's work on the logic. Basically, how just we can confirm it. So first we need to find the order and then update the order, and then we will save a session message, and then redirect the page, redirect the page back, right? So first of all, order equal to find the order, basically this ID, that means that could be 1 2 3, that will find it, and then we will update this order, right? Basically we want to say when a user clicks on confirm button, that means here, right? Just go to first find the order ID and then update the status, right? We simply want to update one column, the status, into 1, right? That means that's confirm, and then of course we will add the message inside our flush. So we can say the message should be order has been confirmed, and then just redirect back to the page inside session, redirect the page back to orders. Okay, now if you go to our index.blade file, where's our message? Basically we should add message here, the session message that's not included. I think we will add this here. Include site admin layouts and then message, right? Okay, let's just click on confirm button. Status. Yeah, we will have to work on our model. So if we open our order model, and we should use the protected guarded to, okay, we can also use protected fillable. That means we should, for security purpose, we will use this feature. Basically if we use the product fillable, we need to say, for example, the column names, the ID, the name of the product, the date, etc. So if we again use the guarded functionality, that means the guarded feature, that means the opposite of protected. So if we just go back and check again, click on confirm button. Okay, that's great. Now you can see the order has been confirmed. Okay, let's just work on pending button. So if we again click on pending, that means we can get the ID, but it's not working functionality, right? Its functionality is not working, sorry. So pending, okay, let's just, the same logics would be used in the pending. For example, first let's just find the order and then update the order status, basically, and then record a session, add a session message, and then simply redirect the page, right? So let's just find the order, and I can say the same logic we use, right? Find the order, and then of course update the order status into 0 again. That means again change this into pending, and then session message, we'll simply copy this, order has been again into pending, and then redirect back this page to orders, right? Just save this and reload the page. So click on pending button. Now you can see this order is again to pending, and this is also right. Okay, so this is that's it, and this functionality is also working. So in the next video we will be work on the show details page, right? So we'll create this button and show details page, but next video we'll be discuss this, right? So see you in the next video.